Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a galarian meowth. Okay, so if you must know, I've already drawn the regular meowth, the Gigantamax meowth, and Berserker, its evolved form. So we're going to draw what the galarian form of meowth looks like, even though it's a shaggy Santa Claus-like version of it. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? There's his eye. Okay, there's his face. So, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta move this part down here. Okay, next up is the ear. Okay, so here's his other hand here. Move it up. Okay, next up are his feet. If you ask me, the galarian form of Meowth, it kind of looks like a shaggy version of Santa Claus. I mean, well, he's like Meowth except he has a beard. What kind of Meowth has a beard? Ridiculous, am I right? I wasn't expecting a galarian version of Meowth. There we go. And that's all there is to it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know when I'm gonna draw the next Pokemon up. Bye.